Friends, welcome to this dedicated learning space for Vedic Maths. This channel is creative and is academic oriented. In this channel, we explore the magic tricks to solve various types of mathematical problems. Friends, in this video, we are learning the magic of Vinculum technique. Friends, subscribe for this channel and transform yourself into a Vedic Maths master. Let's go ahead. Friends, in Vedic Maths, Vinculum is an ingenious technique to reduce a single digits larger than or equal to 6. A digit larger than 6 creates a problem in calculations by creating carry digits. If all digits are less than 5, then calculation becomes easier and probability of appearance of carry digits is very less. With this idea, the concept of Vinculum was entered in Vedic mathematical calculations of numbers. Friends, the Vinculum technique in Vedic mathematics is a foundational concept. It involves representing numbers of combination of both positive and negative digits. The negative digits are shown with a horizontal bars on them to indicate that they are negative. The Vedic method based on Vinculum technique, Nikhilam Navatsaram Dasataha Sutra is used. You know, this sutra means all from 9 and last from 10. We know to apply this sutra, we trace the numbers from right to left. Friends, Vinculum technique also is based on Ekadikena Purvena Sutra, meaning you know one more than the previous one. These sutras are used for enhancing the mental capability, friends. It also reduces the time duration to get the answers within few seconds. Friends, Vinculum technique especially is used for operations like subtraction, multiplication, division, and working with numbers containing less than 6. Friends, in this tutorial, we learn the process of solving multiplication of numbers using Vinculum technique. I am going to solve one typical problem to review the procedure. In the next tutorial, we shall solve some more problems. Friends, first let us learn the process of converting a natural number into Vinculum number. I told you that Vinculum technique involves the use of Nikhilam Navatsaram Sutra. We also know that this sutra is applied from right to left. Similarly, in the Vinculum technique, Ekadikena Purvena Sutra also is used. The first point to remember is we trace the number to be converted from right to left. In the process, when you find the first digit greater than or equal to 6, replace that digit with 10 minus the digit and put a bar over the number obtained. Look at the process of converting a natural number 2789 into Vinculum number. Trace the number from right to left. The first digit is 9. Deduct 9 from 10, it gives 10 minus 9 is equal to 1 bar over it. I will call it as minus 1. Next digit is 8. Deduct 8 from 9, that gives 9 minus 8 is equal to 1 bar. Next digit also is greater than 6, that is 7. So, deduct this 7 2 from 9, that gives 9 minus 7 is equal to 2 bar. And the last digit is 2. Increase 2 by 1, that gives 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore, natural number 2789 is equal to Vinculum number 3, 2 bar, 1 bar and 1 bar. How will you check this calculation whether it is correct or not? Friends, I will tell you the easiest process to find whether your calculation is correct or not. Find the positional value of each digit, and if it is positive, add it. If it is negative, deduct it. Like that, if we do it, we get 3000 minus 200 minus 10 minus 1 is equal to 2789. That is the number which we converted. Hence, our conversion is correct. Friends, similarly, let us convert another natural number 82381 into Vinculum number. Trace the number from right to left. LSD is 1. This need not be converted as it is less than 6. Simple. Next, 10th place digit is 8. The conversion of 8 gives 10 minus 8 is equal to 2 bar. 100th place digit is 3. Yes, friends, it is less than 6. It must be kept as it is. But look at the digit next to 3. It is 2. This also should not be converted. But because the conversion process is broken after converting 8, its next digit must be increased by 1. That gives 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. As explained, its next digit 2 must be kept as it is. Its next digit is 8. Conversion of this will give 10 minus 8 is equal to minus 2. Note, we are deducting it again by 10 because the conversion was broken. Hence, 10 minus 8 is equal to bar 2. The conversion process is ended. But after bar 2, digit 1 must be appended. Hence, the natural number 82381 is equal to Vinculum number 1, 2 bar, 2, 4, 2 bar and 1. Friends, let us check the result. We get 1 followed by 5 digits minus 2 followed by 4 digits plus 2000 plus 400 minus 20 plus 1 is equal to 82381. Friends, I hope you understood the conversion process and checking the process of the answer obtained clearly. Friends, now let us multiply 876 into 678 by using Vinculum technique. The given numbers are 3-digit numbers. Hence, you may feel that we can solve without vinculum technique. Yes, friends, you can. But at every step, carry may appear because the numbers are large. And mentally you are required to multiply and add large numbers which may be error prone. So, first let us convert the given natural number into vinculum numbers. We get 876 is equal to 1, 1 bar, 2 bar and 4 bar, and 678 is equal to 1, 3 bar, 2 bar and 2 bar. But by testing the converted results, we get 1000 minus 100 minus 20 minus 4 is equal to 876, or simply 1000 minus 124 is equal to 876. Similarly, 1000 minus 300 minus 20 minus 2 is equal to 678, or 1000 minus 322 is equal to 678. Hence, the conversion process is correct. But notice that the given 3-digit natural numbers are transformed into 4-digit vinculum numbers. Doesn't matter, friends, because all digits are small and it is very easy to get step values at each step easily. Step 1 we get 1. Step 2 we get 4 bar. Step 3 we get 1 bar. Step 4 we get 2. Step 5 we get 18. Step 6 we get 12. And step 7 we get 8. Observe, friends, only at 2 steps we have got carry digits. Now, retaining only the unit place digit at each step and carrying the remaining digits to the respective previous steps and adding, we get 1, 4 bar, 1 bar, 3, 9, 2 and 8. This number we obtained is vinculum number, friends. We must convert the number into natural number. By using the easiest method, we get 1 followed by 6 digits minus 4 followed by 5 digits minus 1 followed by 4 digits plus 3928 is equal to 593928. Now, let me just introduce alternate method of converting vinculum number into natural number. Recall that when converted the natural number into vinculum number, we added 1 after completing the conversion. Similarly, when we convert vinculum number into natural number, we must deduct 1 after completing the conversion. So, using the alternate method, when we trace from right to left, the first vinculum number we get is bar 1. Converting it, we get 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Next digit we get is bar 4, and converting it, 9s minus 4 is equal to 5. And the last digit we get is 1, and hence 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, we get the result 876 into 678 is equal to 593 928. Friends, see that both are same.